This 36 Chevy Coupe features a solid all-steel body and traditional Milano red paint that'll look right at home at all those lazy summer car shows. And thanks to its proven GM Performance Parts V8 and comfortable leather interior, it'll also make the perfect companion for weekend road trips. This Chevy's smooth and solid body began life as an everyday sixer that stayed free of accidents and catastrophic damage for over 70 years. At the tail end of those years, a meticulous enthusiast executed a frame-off restoration that eventually transitioned into a professional street rod build. That project, involving multiple years and hundreds of hours of labor, sealed exceptionally aligned panels under a great-looking coat of traditional Milano red. And when a more recent owner took possession, he spiced things up with vivid green and gold stripes. Between the doors, you'll find a custom leather interior that's definitely one of the main highlights of the build. Plush GM seats ride high-quality carpet that's outlined with leather piping. An eggshell dash hides a modern CD player behind modern air conditioning and classic instruments gauges. And a tilting column makes the most of a leather-wrapped banjo-style steering wheel. Designed and assembled by the experts at General Motors' own GM Performance Parts aftermarket entity, this Coupe's 350 cubic inch ZZ4 crate motor is rated at 355 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque. That power gets sent through an upgraded TH350 back to a Ford 9-inch with 250 gears. Professionally built and fully sorted, this slick Chevy is simply spectacular in person. It combines top-notch craftsmanship with a roster of choice performance hardware that's ready to hit the road. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.